Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide subscribers on YouTube. YouTube scammers who impersonated people and brands hid their subscribers' counts to conceal their true identities. By keeping their subscribers' counts hidden, they could deceive others into thinking they had millions of followers like a celebrity or brand, when in reality, they didn't. So first, make your own subscriptions private. Sign in to www.youtube.com on a computer. If you want to hide the other channels that your channel subscribes to, you can do so when signed in to YouTube on a computer. Then, click your profile photo and select Settings. You'll see your profile photo at the top right corner of YouTube. Now, click Privacy in the left panel. Your YouTube privacy options will expand. And then, toggle on Keep All My Subscriptions Private. This is the second option under Playlist and Subscriptions. With this feature turned on, visitors to your channel will not be able to see how many channels you've subscribed to or which channels you follow. Another option is hide the subscribers from your channel. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.